Nothing beats the comfort of a perfectly brewed masala chai. Rich, creamy, and full of bold spices. Let's make a cup that warms the soul. Start by preparing the whole spices: cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, long pepper, star anise, black pepper, and fennel seeds. Then grind them coarsely to release their full aroma. Crush a piece of fresh ginger to draw out its spicy juices. In a saucepan, bring milk and water to a boil. Once bubbling, add tea dust and pull gently to mix and aerate. Add the ground spices. And stir in the crushed ginger. Let the mixture simmer until it comes to a strong, rolling boil. Add sugar and continue pulling for another 1 to 2 minutes. Pulling helps develop the texture and keeps the chai from overflowing as it rises. Once ready, strain into a cup and serve hot. A bold, creamy, and aromatic masala chai, perfect for any moment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves a good cup of chai. Until next time, stay cozy and keep brewing.